Hello everyone. I hope you all doing well and safe. Today I will explain what marketing is and then discuss the different types one by one. Marketing is without any doubt an essential part of every brand. In other words, we can say that a brand can't be successful without marketing. Everyone markets themselves, their product or services through some means. One may dress up to look good is also self-marketing. According to American Marketing Association, the approved marketing definition is it is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for the customers, clients, partners and society at a large. Here you can see some more definitions of marketing by different people. Next up, we have the types of marketing. Marketing has different types that may help the brand in strategy building. So some of them are influencer marketing, relationship marketing, green marketing, viral marketing, keyword marketing, guerrilla marketing, and many more types that may include social media marketing or diversity marketing. Now let's discuss these types one by one. So first up, we have the influencer marketing. In influencer marketing, instead of marketing directly to a large group of consumers, the brand may compensate the influencer to market their product or services. The influencers may include celebrities or the content creators. So some of the examples may include David Beckham in Adidas commercials or the Taylor Swift advertising Diet Coke. Next, we have relationship marketing. The focus of relationship marketing is to increase brand loyalty by improving relations with the customers. A brand may provide or offer various kinds of benefits or discounts to the customers. The brand may segment the customers on the basis of brand loyalty as a regular, once a week or once a month customer. A good example of relationship marketing is American Express, which is a very popular credit card company. This company has its account opening system very straightforward and user-friendly. So it takes about only 30 seconds to complete the whole process. Other than this, they are also offering benefits and travel perks to the customers. The next one is green marketing. Green marketing refers to the development and marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. Products that are designed to minimize negative effects on the environment. For example, electric cars replacing fuel combustion engines that are more harmful to the environment. Patagonia, that has its mission statement, "We are in business to save our planet," is one great example of green marketing. Patagonia discourages throwing away the torn jackets. They say they will fix your zipper for you and find a way to fix your torn jacket. Next on list is viral marketing. Viral marketing is a marketing phenomena that facilitates and encourages people to pass along a marketing message. Its time period may be very short, but it's an effective technique. For example, during the Super Bowl in 2013, when there is a power outage for 34 minutes, or you tweet it instantly with the title, "Power out, no problem, you can still dunk in the dark." Another good example is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. It was an activity involving pouring of a bucket of ice water over a person's head, either by another person or self-administered, to promote awareness of ALS disease and encourage donations to research. ALS is also known as motor neuron disease. It was an activity in which lots of famous celebrities took part, including Bill Gates. Next, we have the keyword marketing. Keyword marketing involves placing a marketing message in front of users based on specific keywords and phrases they are using to search. In search engine optimization, this term refers to achieving the top place in search results. For example, If you search for any video in Google, the position is most of the time held by the YouTube. Lastly, we have the guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing can be described as unconventional and creative marketing strategy. This is intended to get the maximum results with minimum resources. For example, Coca-Cola using happy vending machine is one of the great examples. McDonald's painting crosswalk as yellow to look like fries is also creative. You can watch the full video of Coke on YouTube and the link is given in the description. That's all for today. Thank you very much.